guys, welcome to class number 4. Telling the truth is one way to show citizenship at school. What other ways can you be a good citizen at school? Respecting the rights of others, being responsible, treating others with care and kindness, and working together to make the school a nice place to be. One way to be a good citizen of the United States is by voting. Every community has many citizens, and every citizen has different ideas on how to meet the needs or wants of the community. Sometimes that means citizens have to decide together on important things. Some decisions are important and others aren't as important. When a person makes a decision, he or she makes a choice. Please hold up the decision key term flashcard. What decisions did you make today? Like, what did you eat for breakfast? What did you wear to school? What decisions are easy and what decisions are difficult? The more you practice at making decisions, the better that you will become at it. Understanding the consequences of your decisions will help you make good decisions for them and for your community. All right, today we're gonna pretend like the baker from the donut shop that we worked at a couple weeks ago is going to give us, our school, $500 to keep the school beautiful. We're gonna have to decide how to spend that money. You get to choose between these 3 choices. Choice 1, recycle bottles, cans, and paper. Choice 2, create art to display. Choice 3, plant a butterfly garden. Now it's time to make a choice. You will now need to think about each choice and pick one that you think will work best for your school. Share with the class the decision-making steps. Step 1, think about each choice. Step 2, consider how each choice will affect you and others in the community. And step 3, make a choice. All right, to decide, we need to think about the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of recycling paper, cans, and bottles means less of this material goes into a landfill. We keep our school litter free. We can recycle, reuse, and resell and help create new products from the things we recycle. Disadvantages are we may not get enough material to recycle. We don't have room to store the recyclables, and we have to pay for the recyclables to be taken away. The advantages of creating art, we get to paint and draw and make new things. We get to buy new art supplies. Visitors will appreciate our creativity and think our school looks nice. Disadvantages, the walls in the halls are already filled with art. We don't have the space, and not everyone likes to paint or draw or make things. The advantages of planting a butterfly garden. Butterflies are pretty. We get to choose the plants that will attract the butterflies, and we get to study nature. The disadvantages, we don't have a place for a garden. The weather can be too cold. Who will care for the garden when we're not at school? Okay, Mrs. Demisha, please pass out the worksheet. It's called the Make a Decision sheet to each student. You're gonna write your name at the top and then look at the first box on the sheet. In here, you're gonna give one reason why the school should start a recycling program. After you write that response, now write why there's a good idea for the school. Why it's a good idea for the school. Finish this worksheet, and then we're gonna make our decision. All right, now that we've had time to weigh all of our options, Ms. Demisha, please pass out the ballots. This is a paper on which a person makes a choice when voting. Then we're gonna vote. All right, now we need to tally up our votes. The majority, which is the most, will win. If you guys have a tie, then you'll have to vote again. And then once you have your winner, Mrs. Demisha will pass out I voted stickers, just like we get when we vote for the president. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next week for class 5, and we'll get our diplomas.